Good morning, children. Today we will study about the poverty. So, poverty estimates. How we can estimate the poverty? There is a organization in India called the Economic Survey Organization, which works under the Ministry of Finance, Government of India. It does the economic survey, and while doing the economic survey of 2011 and 12, it was found that the poverty ratio in the year 1973 was 55%, and in 2009-10 it was 30%, which shows that there was actually a decline in the poverty ratio. The poverty ratio further came down in 2002 by 26% and in 1994 by 36%. Therefore, the poverty ratio is continuously decreasing from 1974 to 2000. So, poverty ratio in the India is decreasing continuously. But there are certain groups who are more vulnerable or prone to the poverty level. They are basically the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. So in India, proportion of people below poverty line is also not same for all social groups and economic categories. So for all social group, the poverty proportion is not same. It is more in the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe households, and they are more vulnerable to poverty or more prone to poverty. Then there are rural agricultural laborers. Then there are urban casual laborers who are also vulnerable to poverty. So these are the economic groups or social groups which are more vulnerable to poverty. Now the third topic is global poverty scenario. Here we'll study about what is the position of the poverty throughout the world. So there was a report published by the World Bank, and that the World Development Indicator 2012, which was published by the World Bank, it says that through huge investment in human resource development and rapid economic growth, China and Southeast Asian countries have substantially decreased the poverty in their country. So China and other Southeast Asian countries have decreased their poverty in their country by huge investment in human resource development and because of the rapid economic growth. Because of these two reasons, the China and Southeast Asian countries have decreased their poverty. In China, number of poor has come down from 85% in 1981 to 14% in 2008. In Asian countries like India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, despite decrease in the percentage of poor, the decline has not been rapid. So in these countries, there is the decline in the poor people, but the decline has not been very steep or very speedy or at a very fast rate. In India, poverty is higher than the national estimates. So in India, poverty is higher than what was our national estimate. It is done because of different poverty line definitions. It is all because the Indian government by today it has not able to define the poverty line in the country. In Latin America, the ratio of poverty has declined from 11% in 1981 to 6.4% in 2008. So in the Latin America, the poverty line has decreased from 11%, which was in 1981, to 6.4% in 2008. Today only this much. Thank you.